Do you feel like insurance companies are sometimes nosy about the condition of your home? It's a true story. They are. We get lots of notifications that some insurance company has inspected some insured's home and they are concerned about peeling paint or debris around the yard or the condition of the roof, moss on the roof, these sorts of things. While this has always been the case in the insurance industry, these things have always been monitored and looked at. What we're seeing now is a far greater impact on insurance. And what I mean by that is this: the age of a roof used to be up to 20 we could get those houses placed pretty easily, and then it kind of flexed to 15, and now sometimes we're even getting down in the 10 neighborhood. Like, the roof drama, if you don't know, when you buy a home, you need to find out when that roof was put on, or you need to be prepared to have it inspected, or you need to be prepared for some ugly last minute surprises, including all the way up to we won't be able to get insurance for it. Now, different insurance companies out there are going to look at it different ways. Some insurance companies honestly don't do their due diligence, and they might just insure whatever. And then some insurance companies are going to look closer. That might be why you're at a dinner party or a dinner event and your friend says, "Oh no, my roof is 25 years old and no one's ever asked." And then your insurance company is asking and your house is only 15 years old. There's a lot of variance between insurance companies of what things they're looking at, what things they'll view it to be a concern. These are all different elements that have to be taken into account when insuring a home. So when you're out there buying or you're considering remodel on a home, definitely you might want to take a pause and think about some of these things. But I just wanted you to know that that's what they're looking at: lack of maintenance on a home, things needing repair, roofs getting old and letting water in. These are all things that, understandably so, an insurance company is going to be concerned about. We thought you should know too. Thanks so much for stopping by.